In this spreadsheet, we need to work out the salaries of staff. The salaries of the staff is based on the premise that they must work 40 hours per week. If more than 40 hours are worked, that's regarded as overtime, and the overtime tariffs are displayed here, and that is put into the calculation of their salary. Now let us have a look and see how many hours overtime they've worked. I'm going to insert a function. I'm going to use an if function. If that cell is greater than or equal to 40, then it will be that cell minus 40, or it will be 0. Here we are. Now the overtime tariff in this column comes from the number of hours they've worked, and this is the tariff. I'm going to use an if function, and it's going to be a nested if function, a long one. If that cell is greater than or equal to 15, it will be 220. And if it's not, if it's false, I'm going to put in a placeholder there. Now here in the formula bar, I'm going to add more ifs. If, open bracket, D2 is greater than or equal to 10, then the amount will be 230. But if that's false, if D2 is greater than or equal to 5, it will be 250, and if not, it will be 300. Now I'm going to take out the placeholder. Now I have 1, 2, 3 open brackets, so I must have 3 closed brackets. Now I'm going to pull that down, and there we have the overtime tariff. Now the basic salary is again an if, insert function, if B2 is less than or equal to 40, then it will be B2 times C2, or it will be C2 times 40. Correct. And I'm going to pull that down. Now the amount for overtime is going to be that cell times the overtime tariff. And I'm going to pull that down. And the total is going to be the basic salary plus the amount for overtime. I'm going to pull that down. And there we have the salaries of the staff based on 40-hour working week and different tariffs, nice tariffs for overtime.